is my delicious pumpkin spice latte boozy cocktail. It is such a favorite classic for me this season for the fall, and I thought, why not add a little bit of spice? Why not add a little bit of sugar? Why not add a little bit of booze? So this is what we have, and let's go through it. We're gonna start by building the rim to go around our glass, and that is going to be a cinnamon sugar rimmer. So we're gonna start with a big tablespoon of sugar. I use brown coconut sugar, and then we're gonna use a tablespoon of cinnamon as well. We are going to whisk that all together to combine it. And you're gonna grab some citrus. I'm using a little lime wedge, and you are going to roll it, swipe it right across your rim of your glass. And then you are going to dip and roll your rim in the cinnamon sugar rimmer that you just prepared. And then you're gonna just tap off some excess. We are going to fill our shaker glass with ice. And it wouldn't be a latte without a shot of espresso, so we're actually gonna do half a shot of espresso. And the most important part here is that the espresso is pre-chilled. We are not pouring in a hot espresso because we don't want the flavor to get lost and for the whole drink to get watered down by putting hot ingredients in. So the key here, the absolute key here, is all of my ingredients were sitting in the fridge. We're gonna add in our half a shot. Then we are going to add a full shot of Khalua flavored liqueur. It is coffee flavor, so it further enhances that espresso taste. And then we are going to add a full shot of Bailey's to add a little bit of creaminess to our coffee liqueurs. And to add a little bit more booze, we're gonna go in with half a shot of vodka. And then the star of the show, we cannot forget about the pumpkin pie filling. Why am I using real pumpkin pie filling instead of just a flavoring? Because I want it to be very, very authentic. I want it to be creamy and I want it to be spicy. So I'm gonna open up my can right over here. I'm gonna measure out a full shot of pumpkin pie puree, and I'm going to add that into my shaker glass. And you already know this is my favorite part. We're going to shake it all together. And we are going to pour the pumpkin cocktail into our glass. Look at that froth and that foam. It looks so delicious. But we're not done yet. We have a few more toppings to get to. It would not be a pumpkin spice latte if there was not whipped cream on top. So we're gonna add a little bit or a lot of whipped cream. Just right in the center there. And we are going to top with pumpkin allspice powder. Just a little shake. And then we're gonna decorate it with a cinnamon stick and a little star anise right in the center there. Wow. I cannot wait to try this cocktail. It looks so delicious, but I'm gonna use my straw. Let's be honest, I didn't spend 5 minutes doing my lipstick for nothing, so let's give it a taste. If Starbucks finds out about this, either they're gonna hire me or they're gonna have a hitman out for me. This is unbelievable. Okay, I'm going for more. It's perfect. It is not too sweet like you would expect when you hear, pumpkin pie filling, because we only really put one shot of it. The half a shot of vodka and the half a shot of espresso really brings down the flavor of the pumpkin pie and makes it more of a delicate latte flavor. And then of course the Bailey's gives us a little bit of cream. The Khalua gives us a little bit more of that coffee flavor. It is so delicious. It is a dessert in a glass, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. Did you love this cocktail video? Do you want to see more? Tune into my channel because I have a lot more dessert cocktails, martinis, spritzers where this came from. And of course, don't forget that Sunny with a Shot is also a podcast. Sunny with a Shot of Sarcasm is available anywhere that you get your podcasts. We're on Apple, we're on Spotify, and so much more. So follow us on Instagram so you never ever miss a shot of what I have for you.